We, the providers, need to be the keeper of hope until our clients can feel hope within themselves. We can heal people from the inside out.
I'm touched by her passion and enthusiasm for solving and healing eating disorders.
Most impressed from her, and she said always recovery is possible, and always believe the client has the power to heal.
But I set about to create a safe and connected interpersonal therapeutic space to begin to ask the questions why.
It was a truly life-changing experience for me. What is marvelous about Dr. Anné Zeig is the way she combines thorough, scientific, multidisciplinary knowledge with deep insight, intuitive acumen, and a compassionate, open heart.
What ends up happening is we are overwhelmed and flooded with trauma memories. So your unconscious, brilliant psyche says, I need to protect you. We are going to disconnect again through things like self-starvation, excessive exercise, being a marathon runner, anything to get out of your experience of your body self.
Dr. Julie's compassionate and professional qualities have been invaluable in changing the way that I treat patients with eating disorders, particularly patients with obesity, to a way that is more focused on trauma and intuitive eating.
You need to be connected to your body in order to be aware of physical cues of hunger and fullness.
Everybody focus and observe, and some doctors cry, and very, very special moment to the workshop.
Is it possibly to fully recover? Yes.
Yes.
Her many talents and charisma make the teaching room a space of change for everyone. To experience her work has been a privilege.
Please don't hesitate to reach out to Dr. Julie. I can assure you, it's going to be 100% worth it.
I like to say that trauma therapists are psychological foster parents who step in to heal the damage done by others so that our clients can move forward as a whole and empowered individual that they deserve to be.